Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add your Facebook pixel to GoDaddy website. So first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and as you can see on the other tab, I have my Facebook account. Okay, so this is my page and I am on the events manager overview. So you just have to open your Meta Business Suite. That's right. And then you just have to log into your GoDaddy account, go to your products, and then you just have to select your website. Okay. So once you're here, for example, right here, I'm just going to tap on the first section and then you just have to go to the settings. Okay. So here, you just have to scroll down and then look for the metapixel. So tap on this one. Okay, so here, this one would be, website tracking requires cookie banner to be enabled. And here, you set up a metapixel on your website so you can track your Facebook campaigns to see how they're doing and what works best. Okay, so you just have to add here the metapixel ID. So currently, I'm just going to use this one. So I am just going to paste it right there. Okay, so once you are done, you just have to tap on the publish now option. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.